If you have ever wished you could clone your own voice, or any voice you have the rights to, and use it to generate new content without ever sitting down to record again, that is exactly what ElevenLabs voice cloning does. The question everyone asks is how realistic it actually is. Let me break it down. ElevenLabs offers two types of voice cloning. The first is instant voice cloning. You upload less than a minute of sample audio, and within moments you have a working clone of that voice. It is fast, and for most content, voiceovers, narration, social videos, it sounds remarkably close to the original. The second is professional voice cloning. This requires more sample audio, but the result is a high-fidelity, multilingual, production-grade clone. This is the level used for audiobooks, podcasts, and content, where the voice needs to carry tone, emotion, and personality exactly like the original speaker, across multiple languages, without losing what makes that voice sound like them. Once your voice is cloned, you can generate entirely new content in that voice. Type a script, hit generate, and the output sounds like you said it, even if you never recorded a single word. You can also use a feature called actor mode, where you record a reference take and the AI matches your pacing and delivery, giving you even more control over how the final voiceover sounds. So how realistic is it really? For most listeners, a well-cloned voice using ElevenLabs V3 is virtually indistinguishable from the original speaker in everyday content, videos, narration, social audio. It carries the tone, the rhythm, and the personality of the real voice. If you want to try cloning your own voice, the link to get started is below. I will be covering more advanced ElevenLabs features in the videos ahead. So subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.